everybody, welcome to today's daily draw. I'm giving up on numbers because I suck at numbers. So we're doing Marowak today, and I think it's time we talk about some more Pokemon logistics because I read me some Pokedex entries and have some questions about the Cubone evolution line. Okay, so Cubone's Pokedex entry specifically says that this Pokemon is born without the skull on its head, and then its mother dies, and it puts the skull on its head and becomes a Cubone. So theoretically, there are a lot of theories on that. Some people think that it might be a baby Kangaskhan. Specifically, that makes sense because Kangaskhan are a protected series in the not series species in the Safari Zone, similar to how Farfetch'd are very rare because people keep eating them. So where this gets a little weird for me is, one, again, Cubone can just be born from an egg with their skull on their head. And two, Marowak here, the skull on its head changes when it evolves. So I'm going to go ahead and present my theory today on Marowak. So Cubone is sad that its mother died, and it is canon within the Pokedex entries that the way that a Cubone evolves into Marowak is by accepting its mother's death. That is what gives it the strength, the power to evolve and move on. It goes into a little more detail in that, saying that a vengeful Cubone will turn into an Alolan Marowak, which then, has the spirit flames. That's a vengeful thing in folklore or something like that. So I'm gonna take that one further in the kind of weird direction it's going. Based on all of the artwork I could find, all the canon artwork of Marowak, it looks to me like it no longer is wearing a skull on its head. I think the skull has become a part of it. I think after this Cubone accepts its mother's death, it actually becomes a part of it. So take from that what you will. That seems to be what's happening here. Anyway, there was Marowak. Hope y'all enjoyed. Have a good one.